how to set the assistant menu size to extra small, small, medium or large on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Assistant menu. After click on Assistant menu, make sure Assistant menu button is turned on. After turn on Assistant menu, you will see click on Assistant menu size. If you want to set extra small, click on extra small. If you want to set small, click on small. If you want to set medium, click on medium. If you want to set large, click on large. So you will select assistant menu size extra small, small, medium, large from here. After select assistant menu size, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set the assistant menu size to extra small, small, medium, large on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.